Darn, I'm late for school again. Stupid alarm clock, it never works.
Are you having problems with the alarm clock?
Yeah?
Where's your alarm clock?
Right there.
Cha-cha! We have the solution for you.
Awesome!
Cha-cha! Go sit down.
Okay.
This alarm clock has over 50 different sounds. Normal alarm clock sound. Dog. Cat. Wind. And many different songs on your iPod. In order to purchase this item, you only need to pay 10 payments of $10.99. Call today at 801-634-9258, 036-9125-792. Awesome alarm clock. You must be 18 years or younger to call. Comes in every color as long as it is black. You only need 2 AA batteries for it to work. It also comes with a free stool.
We believe in this alarm clock, and so can you! By the way, how did you guys get into my room?
I'm a magician.
And how did you guys get in my room?
Oh, we climbed through the window in the middle of the night and turned off your alarm clock. Then we snuck into your closet.
Clock!
This alarm clock has 50 different rings. Sounds.
Crap, where's the alarm clock?
Go sit down.
Okay, the alarm clock is not in there.
And how did you guys get in?